guys, I'm back with another video, and today is going to be like a little quick mini review on one of Michael Kors's bags. It happens to be a bowling bag, and this is the Williamsburg extra small bowling bag. This is so adorable. Look at this, and look at the chain. Oh my goodness, the chain is so nice. So anyway, if you are interested, then just keep watching. All right, so I know you may be like, girl, what are you gonna fit in this purse? But you can actually fit quite a bit, or at least that's what I'm thinking. I'll talk about all of that in a second, but it's a mini purse, okay? So if you are the type of person that really likes medium-sized bags, or you like to carry a lot of things in your bag, you definitely won't like this one. But they do have a medium, excuse me, they have a small in this one. I'll try to put it somewhere on the screen so you can see it. What I do like about the large, the ones that, the medium and the large, is that you do get a little chain right here, but the strap is different. You just get a regular fabric strap. So I'm going to quickly read off the specs, even though I know you can do that yourself. I'm going to quickly give the rundown to you so you'll know about what size it is. And after I talk about the specs, I'll give you an example. I'll pull out some other small bags that I've done reviews on, and I'll just kind of put them side by side so you can see, you know, how big they are in comparison to those bags. All right, so again, this is the Michael Kors Williamsburg extra small bowling bag, and this is made of leather. The top drop right here is 3 inches. You get a, it says that it's an adjustable chain. I don't see how that's adjustable. Anyway, I don't see how that's adjustable. Anyway, it says it can be worn as a top handle or a crossbody. Maybe that's what they mean. It does have a zip top closure, and it also has a, you know, little zip pocket right here. And on the inside, you get one front zip pocket, and the height of this purse is 5.3 inches. The width is 7.5, and the depth is 2.8. Okay, and of course, as you can see, it is in gold. So let's see, when you open up this part right here, you do get probably enough space to put some credit cards in, or maybe some lipstick or something really small, maybe your money. And on the inside, okay, you do get, like it says, some places for your credit card. You don't get a zip pocket on the inside. Now, as far as my phone, this is a Galaxy Note 20, I think, something like that, but it's one of the bigger ones, and this can easily fit in there. So if you have, let's say, you know, this is how much space is left. You can see on the inside. Okay, so you can, I feel as though if you're not a person that just likes to carry a lot of stuff, this would be a really cute purse to have. So they did have additional colors. I'm not sure of everything because there's so many places that you can get the bags from. As you know, I got this bag from Nieman Marcus, but you can get them from the boutique in your mall, or you can get them on the website. Macys, Dillard's, Zappos even have them. Zappos sells a lot of Michael Kors bags, but what I found at Zappos is that a lot of times they are going to be extremely overpriced. And I'll sometimes look for Michael Kors bags on the BELK website. That's supposed to be, according to what I was told, that's supposed to be like what Macys is to out here where I live in Texas. So sometimes they'll have Michael Kors bags marked really low, but you'll also see when you do go searching for other sites that they won't have the same style. Like this gold one, I didn't see it on the Michael Kors website. And as far as the boutique versus the outlet, I haven't seen this purse in my outlet. If you've seen this at the outlet, please let me know, but I haven't seen it. I did catch it on sale, and I just love it. I think it's super cute, and I think that gold is kind of, you know, one of those things that it goes with a lot of stuff. You know, some people would agree with that, some people would not. But this one's so cute because of the chain. You could almost, you know, dress it up. You could dress it up or down, you know, and it's just so adorable. And I can't get over how soft it is. It's just a super cute purse. And when you look at the hardware right here, has the little gold leather piece attached to it, and when you close it, the zipper is really good. It doesn't catch or skip or anything like that, and it's really nice. Actually, you know, I'm kind of shocked at how soft it feels. I don't think, do I have one that feels this soft? I think if I do, I'll put the name of it down in the comments below. But let me get some other bags that I can put next to this so you can just kind of see in comparison. So you can get a better idea of how big or small it is. All right, so I have two other bags, extra small bags, and here is the Williamson, and I did a review on this little baby right here. This is the extra small Hamilton. So you can kind of see this one is a little bit probably smaller than this purse, just by a little bit. Okay, and just a reminder, you know, this is how big this one is on the inside. Okay, and you get a zipper with it, so it's a little bit smaller. And then I have the other one. The name, I think this is the Reed. Okay, so this is it. And you can clearly see that this one is bigger. You're going to be able to fit more things in it. So this one is really rather small. Let me see. Let me put it over Crossbody. So this is what it's looking like. I'm kind of holding it up a little bit because I don't have my camera isn't going down that low, but I mean, it gives you a lot of room. I have to admit, when I first saw it on the website, I was thinking that it wouldn't be enough room to go around my body, but I think it's enough. But I think it's cute. And so, of course, you can wear it like this, like that. So I'm gonna bring it up so you can kind of see. I know that's probably not very helpful, but yeah, it's so cute. It's just a really cute purse. And the chain, historically, you know, in my opinion, the Michael Kors chains haven't been all that sturdy or whatever, or just really didn't feel substantial. This one feels a little bit like it could be a little bit heavier. Okay, and maybe they did it like that to make it just more secure, like it would be more secure when you're wearing the purse. I don't know, who knows? So, and of course you can take the chain off and just kind of wear it as such, but this is so cute. Let me know down in the comments what you think about this purse, if you've seen it around, if you have it, if you don't plan on getting it, if you plan on getting it, you know the spiel. Let me know down in the comments. I'd love to hear about it. Thank you so much for tuning in, and until my next video, smooches.